guys, goal हो गया goal. Shit यार. बॉल के साथ खेल, बॉल के साथ खेल. Shit यार.
बस यार मैं थक गया, बहुत सारा होमवर्क है वो भी करना है और नहीं किया तो मम्मा डांटेगी।
जब मैं होमवर्क नहीं करता तो मम्मा ही डांटती।
क्योंकि यंगर सिबलिंग्स हैव एन एडवांटेज, पेरेंट्स उन्हें डांटते नहीं। मैं जा रहा हूँ।
क्या यार?
Hi guys, I'm Yug
And I'm Veer,
and we welcome you with the channel Two Brothers One Mic
where we talk about our lives, sports, and lots of drama.
and tons of more cool things too. So let's get into it. So today's topic is about something which people always fight about.
Like literally in every house.
So who has it harder, older siblings or the younger ones?
Before you say anything, I already know what the audience is thinking about.
Really? What are they thinking about?
They are thinking younger siblings are spoiled and have everything in their hand.
I mean, you are quite spoiled and you get everything which you want.
See, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, sir. We won't fight here. So, we'll talk about both the sides, older ones and the younger ones.
Good, because I have lot to say today.
But I'll go first as I'm the older one.
Yeah, of course, you only go.
So, I think older siblings definitely have a harder life as our parents expect a lot from us. And by saying lot, I mean a lot.
Like what?
What not, brother? Getting ready at the right time, behaving well all the time, getting good marks, and the main problem, handling you.
Yeah, because you are older.
Exactly, that's the main problem. Being older doesn't mean that I don't get more chances. We get really less chances to fix our mistakes. And like if something breaks in our house, who would be questioned first?
You.
Yes, if I am not even in the room, they'll question me only. Like what happened? How did it break?
That's actually true.
And here's one another thing. We are basically the trial version.
Trial version?
Yes, as I was born first, so everything was tested on me only. Like they were scolding me the first, and like if something went wrong, that was on me only. Everything was tried and tested on me. Remember when I got the phone, there was a whole on debate on it कि युग यार अभी आपकी एज नहीं है, पढ़ाई पे आप फोकस नहीं करोगे, ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा, लेजी बन जाओगे, फोन दिखते रहोगे. And when you asked for a phone, you straight away got it. Is that fair? Why was I questioned?
Bro, you proved it. That's why I was not questioned.
Exactly. As I mentioned earlier, that I am tried and tested. They tried on me कि यार इसे फोन दे कि नहीं. मेरे पे ट्राई कर लिया, फिर तुझे फोन दे दिया.
What do you think? Only your life is difficult?
Yes, I do think that my life is difficult. As if I have this much difficulties, then you have this much.
Why am I always compared with you?
I believe that you are always compared with me because our parents want to motivate you by saying कि भाई के अच्छे नंबर आए तो तू भी अच्छे लाए. If I got 96, they want that you can get 97 or 98. I think that is for motivating only.
Why? I can't be Veer. Why do I always be Yug's little brother? Now you tell me.
भाई ये तो तू सही बोल रहा है. I have never thought about that.
Why do I always walk on your steps? Have you ever thought about that?
No, bro. After hearing this, I feel a bit sad for you. I can understand that everybody have their own problems and even you are facing many things.
हमेशा सब आपकी बात क्यों मानते हैं?
यार
Why not me?
ये तो सही बोल रहा है. I am realizing that even you feel bad now.
How? Now you are serious.
Yes, brother.
But because I'm younger, people can't judge me like that.
Yes, that's true. People should not judge anybody from their age or maybe, by looking at them or whatever. Alright, so let's not extend that fight. Now let's talk about school and our marks and how parents judge us accordingly. Like, when I get bad marks, they are way too serious. They are like, अरे marks गंदे कैसे आ गए? मैं बोला था फोन दिला दिया तो तुम्हारा सारा ध्यान रील्स पे है, यूट्यूब पे है, फोकस तुम करते नहीं.
And when I get good marks, Mama tells me, what do you want to eat today? Rajma chawal or dal chawal?
That's the thing. See, when I get bad marks, they just say कि यार ये गलत है वो गलत है. And when you get good marks, they appreciate you.
I know that happens a lot.
I believe that when I do something bad, our parents don't make us say यार कोई बात नहीं, अगली बार से ठीक हो जाएगा. You can do it better next time. But
even we have to learn the good things and the bad things.
That's true. And I think that's the whole point of our discussion today. Okay, so let's move on to the second topic, which is freedom and responsibilities.
Like when you have to go to your friend's place, mama says, okay beta, jao jao. When I have to go to my friend's place, mama says, nahi nahi, apne bade bhai ke saath ja.
Well, that's because you are still a bit young. You are only 9 years old and you can't handle yourself fully.
But you are also 11 years old.
I'm 12 and I'm turning 13. And I know that I have good amount of freedom, but I have high amount of responsibilities too. I need to take care of you. And you know how much homework I get from school? And after every 1 month, I have my exams coming. So that freedom is there with me, but for a lot of less time.
Okay, from now I will always go with you.
Okay, so let's not fight anymore and end the debate and come to a final conclusion. I believe that even you have a lot of pressure on you to become better than me and to follow whatever I am doing. For example, if I am good in maths, our parents expect from you two to become good in maths too. I believe that they should be a bit free with you and they should let you do whatever you want to.
Even I understood that it's hard to be someone's idol. Like you are my idol.
Yes, brother. Alright, so now we want to hear it from your side. Whose life is harder, younger sibling or older sibling?
Drop in the comments.
If you like this episode, share it to your friends.
And if you didn't like it, share it to your enemies.
Two brothers, one mic, many stories. Peace out.
अरे देखो ये बोला तो मैंने अब मैं अपनी बना रहा हूँ
बोल ना
Hi guys, I am Yug.